Timeless recipes, a journey through everlasting flavors. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of culinary phrases, specifically, timeless recipes. This phrase holds a special place in the hearts of food enthusiasts and chefs alike. Let's unravel its meaning and significance together. The word timeless refers to something that is not affected by the passage of time or changes in fashion. It means enduring, classic, and forever relevant. When we describe something as timeless, we imply that it remains valuable and appreciated, regardless of the era or context. Recipes are sets of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of ingredients and the steps involved in making it. They are the heart of culinary arts, passed down through generations or created anew by innovative chefs. Recipes are a way to preserve and share culinary traditions and innovations. Combining these two terms, timeless recipes, refers to dishes that have stood the test of time. These are recipes that are loved and made repeatedly, regardless of current trends or new cooking styles. They are often associated with comfort, nostalgia, and a deep connection to cultural and family traditions. To bring this concept to life, let's consider some examples. Think of traditional dishes like roast chicken, apple pie, or margarita pizza. These are dishes that people continue to enjoy worldwide, transcending cultural and temporal boundaries. They are simple yet profound in their appeal. Understanding timeless recipes helps in appreciating the richness and diversity of culinary arts. These recipes tell stories of cultures, history, and personal memories. They are a testament to the fact that good food can bring people together and create bonds that last a lifetime. And there you have it, timeless recipes, a term that encapsulates the beauty and enduring nature of certain dishes in the culinary world. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a flavorful touch to your English language learning journey. Happy cooking and happy learning!